All right, I'm gonna go to Stevie with a tire. All right, here we are. This is for Bobby. Bobby, your bike's wrapped up. We did a couple test rides. We'll probably still do a couple more before we ship it back to you. Lindsay's gonna do a little walk around on it right now. And we'll see how she looks. So it looks really pretty. Looks like a fresh restoration. Nice looking bike. We got some shots from up high. So we'll see how this works out. Trying something different. See if we can get an increase in our YouTube viewage. Okay, these are all S&Ms. S&M spotlights, guide, front turn signals, and this is the bar. This is basically stock, same thing as a Ambassador Police front turn signal mount. And they used them also on the stock on the 72, but we use them on everything. They look really pretty. So the bike's looking really nice. Show Bobby's got black. The crash bars are all powder coated black. And he's got his police side stand. Show him the other side too. All that looks good. We still got to put a pulley cover on it. Yes, I know everybody says put the pulley cover on. We keep forgetting, but we're still doing tuning. So that's why the pulley cover's off. All right, we'll see how she sounds here. And with those fishtails. So here we go. Let me see if we can see how she sounds. It's a hot day today, so we're not traveling far. It's probably going to be 8 o'clock right now, probably 90 degrees, so I don't want to get cooked today. But if you guys need any Guzzi work, let us know. You can give us a call at the shop, 760-972-4800, and you can give me direct MOE at cycleguard.com. Thank you guys for checking out the video, and I guess that's it. Like and subscribe too. I need all the help we get. Just a little dab on the YouTube. Sounds really good. Motor's really nice and balanced, and it just sounds really nice. Typically with fishtails, they're louder and they're harder to tune, but it just sounds really, really sweet. Back to work.